Want to color grade your footage to match the retro horror vibe of Stranger Things? Check this out. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver all your large media files online. When you sign up with MASV today, we'll give you 100 gigabytes free to send all your files anywhere you want. I'll leave you the link in the description box below, so go and try it out. Alright, Stranger Things short part 1 just came out, and no spoilers, but it's super binge-worthy if you haven't seen it yet. Their distinctive and nostalgic 80s style combined with the horror fantasy still captures audiences from all around the world. We can find the same warm tones at the Byers house or in general when life is normal, and intense blues and reds for the upside down. In this new season, we have a more funky scene in the roller skate rink with some colors popping, and a cold prison scene leaning more towards the grayish teals. Let's get into color grading and try these looks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, I got here in the timeline a screenshot of the Stranger Things cast in the Byers house with these other clips that we will color grade. Just FYI, these shots are already color corrected to be ready for this color grading. We're going to go to Window, Workspaces, then click on Color, so we can work with Lumetri on this side of the screen. Make sure to have the Lumetri Scopes tab open too, so we can see the color info of the shots. Alright, so we're looking here to maintain a low light with medium contrast and a high saturation. We can see in the scopes that all the information is below 60, just with a little peak in pure white at 100. That's this light over here. We can also see that red and green are more prominent and peaking, so we want to bring up more oranges, browns, and yellows in the new shots. On Color Wheels and Match, Lumetri has this really handy tool that can help us instantly. Click in Comparison View and it will show us the very first clip. In this case, the screenshot, and next to it, the clip that we want to change. Click on Apply Match and Premiere will do its best to make the colors match on our clip. You can still modify the colors from these wheels down here and the lighting from the Basic tab. It seems shadows are on the cooler side while midtones and highlights are warmer. I think Premiere AI did a really good job at matching the colors, but it needs a little bit more of saturation in general for all the shots. I think also that some shots could be a little bit darker, other ones a little bit brighter. Use the scopes as a guide to make it similar and just adjust it as your preference. The final result will depend on the kind of footage you're using. Remember that all of these big productions prepare in advance, so lighting, art, wardrobe, all of the departments are on the same page on what's the style that they want to follow throughout the whole series or film. So plan ahead. Alright, so let's check out now the upside down. Dark, cold, super low light with extreme blacks and intense blues and reds. Sometimes a mix of both, sometimes them individually. Let's try another way to color grade. We will go to the Creative tab and open the Look drop-down menu. Select the filter SL Blue Day for Night. This one helps to get that intense blue immediately. As the name states, it is used to change day shots to night shots. From here, you can go back to the Basic tab to modify the lighting. For example, this one is still too bright and needs more teal in the whole shot. Let's go to Color Wheels and Match, and here we can move the highlights and midtones to get more of that teal. Yep, that looks good. Now for the red shot, I will modify it manually. Let's move the color wheels of the highlights and midtones to get that red color. On this sidebar from each wheel, you can modify the lighting of each one. So we can lower the highlights and adjust the midtones, or you can go back to Basic and modify the lighting through there. Make the blacks darker and keep the shot in low light. The shadow wheel will stay the same. Maybe we will add just a bit of blue. The scopes look good. Adjust the colors and lighting until you get the same style or until you are happy with it. Another way of doing it is using a color with a blend mode. Go to this little paper icon and create a color matte. Let's make it red and name it. Alright, put it on top of your clip and cover all of it. Then from the Effects and Control tab, we will change the red colors blend mode. You can use Multiply or Overlay. Those work really well. After, you can adjust the intensity, lowering the opacity or playing with the Lumetri colors and lighting. Alright, for the roller skate rink, what stands out the most is the colors. They made some of the neons and some of the skaters' outfits pop on screen really beautifully. So let's start raising the saturation from the basic correction tab. Then we will go to the HSL secondary tab. Here, choose the dropper and select the color on your shot you want to highlight. Adjust these bars to just select the colors you want. Whatever is not grayed out will be modified. Then, below, you can raise the saturation, modify the lighting, and add more of the color to make it more prominent on screen. In this way, we're just gonna make it pop right in there. Yeah, here we select the color red, and then making it pop, looks beautiful. And here we select the neon lights, making it pop, beautiful as well. Present scene. For this one, we're going to put the look SL Blue Intense from the Creative tab. This one will help us with the dark and cold feel and the teen tones we need. Then you can complete adjusting the colors from the Color Wheels tab. Push the midtones towards the greens, shadows towards the dark blue, and highlights towards teal. If you need to adjust the lighting, you can also do it through the Curves tab. From the top point, you can raise or lower the highlights. From the bottom point, you can darken or brighten the shadows. Add points in the middle to modify the midtones. You want to have a curve to get a good contrast. As well, adjust it until you're happy with it. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Perfect. When you finish your video, use MASV to send it for reviews or final deliveries to anyone, anywhere in the world. This is the fastest and safest way to deliver all your raw or high-res footage to your clients or collaborators. Remember to click in the description box below so you can sign up for MASV and get those 100 GB free. Don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want more filmmaking tricks, please click that like and subscribe button and toggle the little bell icon. I'll leave you now with this video over here for you to enjoy, and I'll see you